Let's get this math lesson recorded first.
Got a plan, not a maybe. Her to-do list tight, motivation daily. She don't sit stuck, she move boldly. Discipline is freedom, yeah, she told me. Can't check the list, dominating, teach 'em rock it done. One by one, she don't run from none. Bitch, if it's on the page, it's all.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but your girl been down. I've been down. I've been hospitalized for blood clots. I had to go back to the emergency room because of cellulitis. We're not going to spend a lot of time. I'm back at work. Today is the 20th, okay? So what we want to do is work on doing a daily. I thought we just jump back in and get my day started. This is third semester for us. I always call it second, but it's actually third semester. And third and fourth, we get new kids, right? So guys, I don't have a block one. I'm so excited. So in block one is actually my planning. And guess what? Oh, I don't like this. Let's change that back.
Get it done. She don't just plan, she finish. Every task she touch is handled with purpose.
All right, so not only do I have first block planning, I got fourth block planning. So at 2:30, 2:25, and at 9 o'clock, I have planning. So I only teach 2 classes. Y'all, I'm so excited. My first year as department chair, block 2, block 3, okay. And then they start about 10:35 and 12:15. And I have lunch in between those. And the reason I wanted to come on here and do a daily is because I need to make a to-do list. You know, your first day back, I haven't been back for one day since Christmas. I came back last Monday and my leg felt like it was on fire. So if you're new here, I was in a car accident over Christmas. A guy ran a red light and slammed into me, totaled my car, guys. And in 1 week, I'm going to be carless. Oh, y'all pray for me. Pray for me. All right. So filming was number one. Like, that's not even an option. I need to get back. I feel so bad I'm not fulfilling my 2026 goals until now. I need to call about the gap insurance. They did not offer me enough to pay my car off. So that's on 10 to make sure I get that done. Okay. All right, I'm going to start making a list, and then I'm going to decide what is important. So just give me a second.
The dominating teacher got a plan, not a maybe. Her to-do list tight, motivation daily. She don't sit stuck, she move boldly. Discipline is freedom, yeah, she told me.
All right, guys, so I can come back and add more to this. I am going to tutor after school.
Can't check the list, dominating teacher, rock it done. One by one, she don't run from none. Bitch, if it's on the page, it's already won.
So I'm going to try to stay here till 6 o'clock. So I need to check the athletic schedule. So let me write that down, because I've been out of the loop. I am the academic coach for athletes, and so I need to check the games for the week. I also need to plan next Monday. I'm trying to do one a day. Maybe I should just write them all. That way I can see my small wins as I get through it. And I just got a plan for the week. No, I'm going to take it day by day. I'm learning to work intentional and strategic. Okay. And I am selling these products. So when I create these lessons, they will be going on my TPT. So that's why it's important that I take my time. I don't know why I can't get this to go. All right, let's look at Canva. No, I want to create a new one. So I created these images here in chat, and I just want to show you how I did it, because I'm going to change her outfit and stuff. So we're just going to save these 2 images. All right, so I had her sitting at a desk, and then I had her sitting, stand with her Ugg boots and her black sweater, because that's how I like to dress. So isn't she cute? Okay. And I did use my facial features. Of course, I'm not that young anymore, but hey, we can dream, right? All right, so let's go over to chat. I'm trying to get this button over here, this under here. Why did they... Here we go. All right, so now what I did was I came in here. Oh, I might use her. And I put this image that I got off of Facebook. And so what I asked him to do was recreate the image here. And then I asked him to put a full image because he cut her legs off or whatever. And then I kept working with boots. I wanted it to have, and then he put her with heels on. I don't really wear heels anymore. So I asked him to put on with UGG boots. You can see how heels change the outfit. Can make it look a little bit more dressier. And then I told him to change to sitting at a desk. Now I want her sitting in the cafe. And I just keep tweaking it. And I use all of the images inside of my planner. So if we go back to January, I have not done a lot, guys, because I've been home with my legs propped up. So I used her at the bottom. I didn't do much on January. I have been keeping up with my planning. And then I used her when I go to evaluate my weeks. And so that's where she's gone here. So that's where I'm at with that. And then I'm going to use her sitting in a cafe somewhere up in here. Let's see how it came out. Did he put her with somebody? It looked like two people coming. She still got that same facial expression. Now, if you want to take the background off, they both look the same, don't they? The cup is different. Yeah, I wouldn't have that sauce. So let's go with image 2. And we're going to save. She cute. All right, I'm going to take her background off. So we're going to go into Canva. We're going to add a page. We're just going to bring the uploads in. Now you could use her just the way she is, but if you want her to blend in, sometimes I just do the background removal. I ain't removed nothing. Oh, there we go. All right, and then we're going to upshare it. And when you hit download, make sure you hit transparent and also the current page because I already saved the other ones. All right, so now that the image is saved, we come back over to Noteful. And we're going to pull the image in. I don't know where I want to stick her. Let's crop her first. I really don't like that it's cut off right here, but hey, what can I do about it? Nothing. Okay. And that's it. Let's put some motivation on the top. Definitely need this. More faith, less fear. Being carless, guys, for the first time ever. I don't know. We're going to see how this works. I can't see what these say. Guys, I'm just looking for stickers. I'm just going through my sticker collection, looking to see what I have. I feel like today is back to school day. I am listening to an audiobook called Chemistry. Let's get the picture for that. You know, I read 24 books a year, so try to do 2 books a month. How's she acting up today? You know, my school internet get on. Sorry if I sound dry, guys. I'm going to get back in the swing of things. Having first block off, I'm hoping I can film every day. That's the goal. If I'm at work, I need to be filmed. I get all my book recommendations from, I get all of my book recommendations from TikTok, Book Talk. Is that what they call it? Book Talk. So, this is what I'm looking at right now. My first book of the year. I am going to go over my goals, guys. And I know you have asked me about some things. I am coming with those videos. Some people asked me to show them how to use the YouTube PAL and also how I forgot what she asked me. But she asked me to show her something. I'm coming with all those videos. So please be patient with your girl. I always forget. I don't think this is what I want to do. All of that for this. Guys, you don't have to know. You just have to find the workaround. I don't know where I want this to go. I don't like this. I thought I was doing something cute and it don't look like nothing. Thank you all for staying with me this long. I really do appreciate it. Look for me to come back every day this week. We're going to be doing our dailies. And also I'll be coming in and to get the week started. I know I'm a little late because I haven't been filling out no dailies. I usually delete all of these. So all of these will be deleted all the way up if I don't use them. And because I was at home, I'm going to just be honest, I wasn't using them. I hate deleting these because I really wanted to be 365 days. But never too late to start. Never too late to start. So we're going to delete all of these and we're not going to think about what I've been through. So this is January and this is where we're going to start. January 20th. That's when my new year start, y'all. So until next time, happy playing.
We planned another day. Alright. Dreams on paper. Future inside.